Welcome back. Let's look at today's simple problem. Find the area of triangle whose vertices ABC are in vectors. If we represent these coordinates in three-dimensional space, this is how it looks like. We can see this by rotating from different directions. This gives a better way of the triangle. Let's think, what should be our approach before solving the problem? Let's represent the coordinates in vector format. First, we need to get AB and AC. How do we get these? AB is nothing but position vector of B minus position vector of A. Same way, AC equal to position vector of C minus position vector of A. So here we get AB equal to 2I minus 5K and BC equal to I minus 2J minus K. Now to get the cross product of AB and AC, let's represent in the matrix form. Cross product of this gives us 10I minus 7J plus 4K. Mod of AB cross AC will be square root of 165. Finally, the area of ABC triangle is half of AB multiplied by AC. That is half of square root of 165. Make sure you write square units in the answer.